Well, hey, neighbor, it's me, Angie. Y'all are never going to believe this. Well, really, y'all might, but y'all really not. All right, Miss Southern Belle sent me a dessert to try as a taste test. And it's from Great Britain. And I really didn't know what it was, but I had heard of it before. Okay, hold on to your seats now. This is Auntie's Delicious Spotted Dick Steamed Puddings. Okay? It's got raisins in it, it looks like. And it says microwave for 30 minutes. But anyway, it looks like this. And it's called Spotted Dick. So I looked it up. And I had to know what it was about. Where it was from. What it was made of. Because if it treats me anything. If it treats my mouth like it does when I eat oatmeal. This is not going to be a good video. Because my mouth gets really, really sad when I eat oatmeal. So it's like this. And I want to read y'all something about it. But I'm got to go over here to the microwave and heat it up for 10 seconds. So y'all come with me. Let's go. Let's go over here and heat it up for 10 seconds. Because it's already going to be bad enough. All right, it's going to get a little dark. Because my kitchen is dark. But I got to heat this up for 10 seconds, okay? All right. All right, here we go. I'm going to heat it up. Just hold on just a minute. I'm going to give it the full 10. I should have done this before I come on camera, but I didn't know. I didn't know it was going to say that. I should have read that before I did the video, but it won't take but a second for me to heat this up. See there? 10 seconds is not very long. So let me get this out of here. Okay. So I heated it up for 10 seconds, okay? I do have me something to drink just in case. Just in case I have to have an emergency. But I want to read to y'all what this is. Let me set the camera back down. All right. Let me get everything situated. All right. I wrote this down because I didn't want to forget it. It says, oh, and the Fanatic Connecting the Fanatic Connecting Guru wanted to be sure. He wanted me to try this. He may have to try it. I don't know. The Record Crate also wanted somebody to try this. So I got nominated to try this. Miss Southern Belle sent it to me. Anyway, it's traditional British steamed pudding. It's made with, all right, it's spelled S-U-E-T. So duet is spelled D-U-E-T. So I'm saying suet and dried fruit often served with custard. Then I got to wondering, what is this suet? Now, this is from Great Britain. And it is now this is what kind of got me nervous about trying this. I mean, this really got me nervous. It is the hard fat of beef, lamb, or mutton. Now, I don't know if y'all know what mutton is, and I do, and I'm not going to explain it to you. You'll just have to go look it up. Found around the loins or the kidney. Now, the beef and the lamb does not bother me. It's the mutton that gets to me, that I really am not thrilled about trying. But anyway, this is called Spotted Dick. Let me show you the And Miss Southern Belle sent this to me. And it looks like this. It's in this cute little, just because it's in this cute container doesn't mean it tastes good. Okay, guys, don't blame me if I can't hold this down because I'm going to try it. Now, the raisins don't bother me because I like raisins. That may be my saving grace. And I am going to have to smell it. Well, it really don't have a bad smell to it. It smells like raisins. Okay, let's count it down. 3, 2, 1. Okay. Now, the name of this is Spotted Dick. Why it has that name? And I'm talking with my mouth full. Why it has that name, I have no idea. Okay. Y'all, this tastes like, it's not bad. It's not bad at all. It tastes like it's moist. It tastes like a muffin. I'm trying to compare it to something that I've had before. But our muffins that we have here aren't this moist. It's got a distinct, it does have a raisin taste. But it kind of has like some kind of flavor, like bourbon or... Let me see if it says on here. Let me see if it says what's in this. Ingredients. In burnt sugar syrup, wheat, flour, water, dried fruit, dried skimmed milk, dried whole eggs, raisins, and all this other stuff. And it's 5.6 grams of fat, 37.7 grams of sugar. Ooh, no wonder I like it. Okay. So, to everyone that wants to try Spotted Dick from Great Britain, I would give it a B. I mean, I could give it an A-, but after I know that it could have mutton in it, the fat of a mutton, I'm not too happy about that, but if I didn't know that, I'd probably give it an A-. But it's really not that bad. It's called, here we go, Auntie's Delicious Spotted Dick from Great Britain. Now, I will take a drink. I don't know if the raisins made it better for me. I don't know what it was. But it wasn't bad. I had my doubts. But I think heating it up made it better too. I heated it up for 10 seconds. All right, guys. I tried Spotted Dick that Miss Southern Belle sent to me. It's a dessert from Great Britain. And it's usually served with custard, some kind of custard. Now, that would have probably been good to have custard with it. But anyway, thanks for coming by, neighbor. I did it. I passed the taste test. Thanks, Miss Southern Belle, for sending it to me. I can now say that I've tried Spotted Dick. All right, Guru and Record Crate. There you go. It's not bad at all. See you later, neighbor.